Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I'm Nazmun Nahar. My student ID is 221155940. Today I am presenting our group project titled Negotiation for Freelancer Fees. I am working on this with my wonderful teammates Nusrat Jahan, Hasan, Rakibul Shanto and Sabik Abdur Rahman. These are our contents and there are introductions, motivation, problem statement, key features, development stack, future scope and conclusion. Next slide. Now introduction. In this project, we focused on a problem many freelancers face: how to confidently set and negotiate their service rates. There are some online tools like calculators, but they are static and don't really help with real conversations. So our solution is a smart web-based tool that helps freelancers make better pricing decisions and practice negotiations in a more realistic way. It helps freelancers understand their values, suggest suitable rates, and lets them practice how to talk with client in a smart way. Now, to explain the problem in more detail, I would like to hand it over to Nusrat Jahan.
Now I am talking about the problem statement. Here is the freelancer often struggle with one local question is how much should I charge? It's basically the despite of growing demand for freelancing service and money and professional relay estate ready trades outdated calculators or static like or gas work to do price their work and negotiate with clients to leads instantly rates undercharging and low confidence, especially they just not starting their lack of negotiation. They are not no dynamic work in flow interactive or psychological wire tools designed in critical early conversation with the clients. This isn't just a pricing problem, it's also a confidence and communication problem. This is communication problem and it's costing freelancer not only money but also credibility and peace of mind. Now my next team member will continue motivation part in this project.
Assalamu alaikum. Now I'm going to talk about the motivation segment of this presentation. The first line, it's about where we show a growing trend in Google search volume for phrases like freelancer rate navigation. Where it search interest, the signaled a real need. Where freelancers are actively looking for ways to improve how they discuss and set their rates. From the second line, it's about the repeated Reddit post on the same question that shows a clear pain point. We know that across Reddit, the same question keep popping up, like how much should I charge? And this repetition reveals a major gap in supportive rules for freelancers. And the third line, it's about the existing tools like Bonsai and Indie that provides only templates and calculators, but not interactions. Surely this platform like Bonsai and Indie exist, but they are static because they offer calculator and templates, but no guidance for conversation to help someone actually navigate. And the last phase, it's about our idea, where it's born from this gap to create a calculator with chatbot that acts like a navigation coach plus pricing tool in one. So we created a solution more like a dynamic tool with a chatbot that doesn't just calculate rates but actively coaches freelancer through navigation. That's the end of my segment. Now I would like to call Nahi to follow the next part of this presentation. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Hasan and my ID is 221155933. Now, I will be walking through two key parts of our project: the core feature and the technology state behind our web-based negotiation and freelance. Let's start our key feature. Unlike traditional calculator, our system brings intelligence, and interaction. The heart of our platform is an AI-driven chatbot trained on real freelance negotiation data. It doesn't just suggest a price; it simulates the actual negotiation, acting as both client and freelancer, which builds real-world confidence. It gives real-time feedback based on user skills, experience, and project type, helping them adjust rates smartly. Freelancer can generate dynamic and activate rate proposal, which can be used directly in the real-world scenarios. It also serves multiple purposes: slow rate selling, handling client objection, or even just boosting confidence. And for a modern touch, its voice-enabled mock negotiation includes an analytics dashboard that tracks price success rate. Now moving on the development step. Okay. For the backend, we chose Node.js to manage real-time interaction efficiently. The front end is kept clean with HTML and CSS, ensuring simplicity and speed. The AI engine is powered by OpenAI ChatGPT 4, which adds the human-like negotiation capability, of course, which used SQL to store user preference and chat logs. And for security, Firebase authentication handle the user login process and safety smoothly. Although this stack enables seamless, intelligent, and secure experience for user. Thank you. My next team member will continue rest of the presentation.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Rakibul Shanto and my ID is 221155353. So let's talk about the future scope of our project. While our current prototype offers solid negotiation support, we see a lot of potential to expand. First, we plan to integrate voice enabled chatbot assistance for live mock negotiations, making the experience more immersive and realistic. Second, we built an analytics dashboard where users can track negotiation success rates and price acceptance metrics, giving them actionable insights. A mobile first vision is also in development, so freelancers can negotiate confidently from anywhere. We're also exploring marketplace integration with platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and even personalized training to help users improve their own negotiation style over time. These future additions will make the tool not just smart, but truly transformative for freelancers. Next slide. To conclude, our platform is more than just a pricing tool. It's a confidence builder, a support system, and a digital negotiation partner. We believe freelancers deserve more than static calculators or guesswork. They deserve guidance, especially those just starting out or unsure how to value their skills. Our chatbots merges technology and psychology to deliver not only smarter rate suggestions but also boosts freelancers clarity and conversion when dealing with clients. Next slide. Thank you so much for your attention. We hope our project gave you a fresh perspective on how negotiations support can empower the freelance community. We are excited about the road ahead and we welcome your thoughts and feedback. Thank you.